Welcome to InSync, the most efficient inter-office communicator there is for all types of dental and medical offices. Paging allows you to page staff members within the office to a specific location. With an audio notification as well as a visual notification, InSync will allow you to see where each staff member is located within the office. The messaging feature allows you to send messages, name conversations, add users to a thread, and acknowledge unread messages. These features are sure to maximize the quality of communication within the office. Patient tracking and check-in features allow you to track the patient's wait time and stages to increase efficiency in time management. The docking feature will keep the application docked in place over other windows on your PC. This will ensure that there are no missed messages or pages. InSync is also mobile-friendly. You can access the application from any mobile device without an installation. The administrator portal allows you to customize and manage the app specifically to your office needs, giving you full control over your application. So just know, your success is important to us, so we know just how vital communication is for any successful office. That's why we've made high-quality communication our #1 goal and focus. So let us get your practice in sync. To get more information on InSync, just click the link below this video to schedule your free demo today.